Hello everyone, it's G Auntie's Kitchen. Let's turn good old noodles into this deliciousness, and it sure looks great. Please continue watching and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. To prepare these easy and simple noodles using whatever you've got in the house, I'm going to use, of course, noodles. I've got 3 packs of noodles here, and I'm using this seasoning, 2 sachets of this seasoning. I left 1. I don't want to use all 3. So that's how I prepare noodles. So by the way, this is the smallest pack. It is the 70-gram pack. So if I'm using 2 noodles, I will use 1 seasoning pack. So for other ones, I've got here onions, tomato paste, minced beef. You could use fish if you have fish, garlic, pepper. We are Africans. And I've got here pepper. It's not red bell pepper, it's the chili pepper, and the green onions, and lastly vegetable oil. On the stove, I've got water. It is boiling. I've added a little bit of salt to it. So I'm going to parboil or cook briefly in salted water for like 5 minutes. It may not be up to 5 minutes because I do not like soggy noodles. I'm going to just cook it till it separates, and that's it. A couple of minutes later, it is done. So I'll take it off from the stove, run water over it so that it stops cooking and doesn't get soft. I've got another pan on the stove. I'm going to add some vegetable oil to it, not too much, just enough to. So when it is hot, I've added the onions, and then almost immediately I am going to add the garlic to it. I'm going to keep frying just for a bit, not too long, so it releases all the aroma into the oil. A few seconds later, I'm going to add the tomato paste, not too much. It's like a teaspoon and a teaspoon and a half. So I'm going to keep on frying it till it becomes brown. After some minutes, see the onions are becoming translucent. I'm going to add the chili pepper to it, and then I'll add the green onions later on. Next, I'm going to add the minced beef. If it's chicken you have, you can use chicken. If it's fish, of course, you would have cooked the fish and you add it later on, not now. Remove the bones. So I'm giving it a very good mix and sort of pressing it down so that everything mixes well together. And the next thing I'm going to add is our Nigerian factor. Yes, ground pepper, spice, but this is not too much. I'm going to add the seasoning that came with the noodles. As I said, I'm using 2 packs. I'm going to add water, about 1/8 cup of water. This is what I got from rinsing out the tomato paste. Put the lid on it and allow it to cook. Several minutes later, I'm going to add the spring onions, and then I have some frozen yellow pepper and green pepper. That's why I'm adding it at the last minute so that it has that desired effect. Finally, in goes the pre-cooked noodles. it is well mixed, I'll turn off the heat and I'll serve. But if you want it a little bit softer, just cover and allow the steam to make it tender or softer. Thank you so much for watching.